Ever wondered what happens when you sneeze in space? It's not as simple as grabbing a tissue. In microgravity, sneezes don't just fall to the floor. They explode outwards. These particles float around, sticking to surfaces and potentially contaminating equipment. So, how do astronauts deal with this zero-G sneeze situation? They use specialized containment devices. Advanced air filtration systems help keep the air clean, but personal protection is key. Imagine being a germ, finally free from gravity's constraints. Okay, that's a bit of a scary thought. So, next time you sneeze, be grateful for gravity. And remember, space hygiene is serious business.